Hi and welcome. In this video I will show you how you can speed up the WPA cracking process using Cowpatty and GenPMK. Cowpatty supports using a pre-computed hash file. Pre-computed hash files are used to accelerate the cracking process by eliminating the transformation of a password into an encryption key. So I will switch to my Kali machine and type Cowpatty. And here you can see different options. First of all, make sure you have a capture file with the 4-way handshake and the word list to start the cracking process. So I will first show you how you can do the attack with a dictionary file, the same way I did with aircrack. So go ahead and type cowpatty-f and your dictionary file, and -r for the packet capture file, and then -s for the SSID. As you can see, Cowpatty is generating a hash of every word from my word list. When the hashes match, it displays the password of the access point. This process is very CPU intensive and slow. So I'm going to skip ahead here. And you can see it takes almost 5 minutes to crack the password. But the way that will speed this up is to create your own hashes by using a tool called GenPMK. This tool is very useful when you don't have any client connected to the access point, but you want to start generating the hashes for the SSID you are targeting. Now go ahead and type GenPMK-f and your dictionary file, and -d for output file, which is going to be hash, and then -s for the SSID which I want to create the pre-generated hashes. Now it's creating pre-generated hashes for the network. So again I will skip ahead. And now whenever I want to attack the network, I will use the hash file, which is this one right here. So go ahead and type cowpatty-d for the hash file, and -r for the packet capture, and then -s for the SSID. And as you can see, it took less than a second to crack the same password. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.